talking, I don't sweat that. If they don't trust me either, I respect that. But she need down the ride, oh I bet that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that, don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that, don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that.
New Technologies has launched a new variant of its electric van, the Lifestyle Delivery Vehicle 190. This model is longer and offers a larger cargo area than the existing LDV 130. The LDV 190 maintains the same wheelbase and low center of gravity as the LDV 130, ensuring predictable driving behavior at all speeds. Canoo's new electric van features a unique, patent-pending interchangeable rear cargo cartridge, allowing customers to switch between different door configurations. Canoo is aiming to achieve a production readiness level of 20,000 vehicles per year by the end of 2023. The company is investing over $320 million in vehicle assembly and battery plants in Oklahoma, creating over 1,360 jobs.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is J.H. How y'all doing, Postal family? Is everybody good? Is everybody cool? Are you clean, crisp? Are you feeling guyry today? Last talk. Now that we've clarified what social media and what we're not supposed to do on social media is all about, the party's just started. Look at Jay with that smug look on his face. Y'all ain't got no idea what's coming, boy. But first, let's address these things that we've been talking about in the past. You know, it's amazing that I've read all those comments. People said they learned a lot from the information that I shared before. And, I appreciate it, but the information was always been there. It's always been there for everybody to, easily access. But here's the thing, somebody went and they saw all those Metris vans sitting up there in the middle of such and such place, and somebody arguing, all those ain't ours. But amazing, that's past. We proved that we don't just make stuff up. I made that video, and then amazingly, within 1 month, those vehicles were spotted being brought to stations nationwide, right? No, Jay's not a whistleblower. No, we just share information and ask those questions like, why are they not being used? It's people dying from the heat. He's got air conditioning, right? Yeah, anyway. So here's the thing. Article popped up. USPS in possession of Canoo LDV 130 and 190 electric delivery vehicles. We've been talking about these vehicles. They went to the conventions and saw that big, ugly, next generation vehicle. I went and I saw it. And it was good. But now, let's throw up some pictures and you guys tell me what you think about these. These are the new ones. It said a Facebook group for postal workers. A user shared a collage of photos of some electric vehicles that United States Postal Service was in possession at their research and engineering site in Fairfax, Virginia. In this collage were two similar but very different Canoo delivery vehicles. Now, this is where you guys, if you have anything to do with stocks, it's time to invest, okay? I was in the Workhorse before, and then I went to, what the hell is the name of that place? Oshkosh, but I didn't even know about Canoo. Anyway, if y'all know what I'm talking about, jump on it. The Lifestyle Delivery Vehicle, or its original delivery variant designed by Canoo, is a fully electric Class 1 electric cargo van, and it was engineered to have a turning radius of a small passenger vehicle on a parking-friendly compact footprint, yet the payload and the cargo space of a commercial delivery or utility vehicle. It is perfect for high-frequency stop-and-go deliveries and speedy vehicle door-to-drop off, so much that Walmart signed a binding order last year for almost 10,000 units. So this is happening. We don't know if they're going to finalize it, but you should know this because, carriers, your lives matter, right? Yeah, your lives matter. And that little vehicle, that video that I showed in the beginning, that's what these are. That's what these are. A little clip of what these are, and as you can clearly see, these have actually been in production, or USPS has been looking into this since October of 2022, almost a year ago. And they were in early discussions. So June this year, USPS put out a draft supplement environmental impact statement. All that's just behind the, scene stuff. USPS should consider another vehicle manufacturers, including Workhorse, Riven, Arrival, Canoe, and GM. So those are the ones, man. So, I mean, you guys tell me what you think about it. Look into it. And tell me what you think. They already purchased 60,000 of those NGDV from Oshkosh, which was the next generation vehicles. They purchased 14,500 off the shelf from COTS ICE vehicles, and they purchased a mixed bag of additional 31,980 COTS vehicles. Anyway, these things are supposed to be out before the end of this year, if you guys can believe that. So take it for what it's worth. Just, passing on some information. However, I do not represent the post office. Anyway, look into it for yourselves. You guys tell me what you think. And we're going to go on to the next bit.
Unexpected expenses stressing you out? Get the money you need now with Loans for Feds, a program designed specifically for federal employees. Bad credit is not a problem. Application is fast and easy with same-day approvals. Apply now.